Car care and maintenance are a responsibility that you have to perform. Otherwise, you will only be flushing money in the gutter on repairs that could be avoided. As you are an adult and on your own, learn how to take care of your car to save money. Let's take a look at 6 ways of taking care of your car. 1. Engine oil. Check the level on a regular basis and keep an eye for a leak. Use a dipstick for the checking and park the vehicle on an even surface at that time to get the correct reading. If the level is low, fill the tank up but don't overfill. Also, repair immediately should you find any leak. 2. Transmission fluid. The cap to the fluid cylinder is sealed in many new models with an automatic gearbox. If your car is not one of them, check the fluid level when the engine is warmed up and running. Find out the level in the brake fluid reservoir and power steering pump at the same time. Repair if there's any leak and fill up if any of the tanks are running low. 3. Tires. Air pressure. Each tire should be inflated to the right side. You have to check the pressure of all the tires including the spare once in a month and before an extended road trip. Use a pencil type or digital tire pressure gauge, which won't cost much, to do the job. 4. Wash the body. It's probably the easiest but a tad tiresome way to take care of your car. However, cleaning is necessary, both the interior and the exterior. If possible, wash the body each week and care to remove the road salt and dirt from the fender wells and undercarriage. 5. Clean the glasses. The windshield, rear view mirrors, and the headlights need regular cleaning because keeping them dirty will lead to safety hazards. You can use a cleaning fluid to wipe the bugs splattered and dirty windshield and rear view mirrors. 6. Examine the brakes. If you are pro enough, check it at least 2 or 3 times a year, and even more if you drive frequently and longer distances. You will need to remove the wheels and check the condition of the rotors, pads, drums, and other parts. Go to a servicing shop if you are not good with the motor.